Nexus3 is our company. We focus with additive manufacturing and actually partnering up with these companies that have ideas and something they want to manufacture and they can't wrap their head around it because the traditional manufacturing is not suited for that. And that's where we come in and actually help bring those ideas to life, right? Whether it's tooling, it could be prototyping or end-use parts.
When we started, we initially wanted to work with aerospace companies, and then we started right when the whole COVID pandemic began. So we're having a lot of trouble finding work with aerospace companies due to the lack of people flying. We needed a software that wasn't too expensive but had a lot of capabilities, and we had a chance to look through the reseller site and connect with KETIV. Richard Ramos helped us a bunch with getting that all set up and getting it implemented. Autodesk and Fusion 360 was really the only solution that provided all of that. The price point for us being a new startup and all the capabilities, it was an easy choice after we'd done our research. The features that Fusion 360 just really sold it for us. So we use the mesh to solid body tools, and the design history, turning that on and off, has also been very beneficial and helpful when we're editing those models, getting them ready for 3D printing. It has the capability of doing generative design, thermal and mechanical simulations and all that we'll need in the future that we may not need right now, but it's an affordable software that gave us all that capability right up front. So we'll be prepared in the future when we need to transition to working with aerospace customers. We've been looking into other possibilities like NetFab, which could allow us to provide a service for thermal mechanical modeling of parts before they actually get 3D printed. Good thing with the Autodesk software is it all works together. So we tried out some of the free demos, and Revit works perfect with Fusion 360. Fusion 360, it's going to work perfect with NetFab, and they all kind of work together, and all the files can get loaded from one software to the other, and without loss of data and all that. So it's a good. Autodesk is a good company for pulling everything together all in one without having to go to different providers of software where we possibly lose data when we transfer models over.
KETIV actually made it very easy for us to make those choices. I know that made it a lot easier on us to make the right choices for our business, especially starting up.